fucking nightmare, you bitch!
What's up, you guys? Zero's Gaming here today with a little review of this tool. Okay, the tool's called Bo2 Shit tool. It's made by Xbox 360. It's best. It's $5. Great deal. It's a good tool. Bo2.
Bo2 Shit tool connected to RGH.
Unless you're not on Bo2, so I'm just going to redirect you. Alright. So it's got some pretty unique shit, like XUID grabber, like this, phase, apex. See, and it grabs their XUID. And then you can also set it, like, let's see. This is for party spoofing. There's he has another tool that costs a little bit more, where you can actually join people's parties without having an invite or when the party's locked. So basically, here I'll show you how it works. The party XUID. So I'll do spoof that, pop up, join, and see.
Who the fuck
Spoofed it. I shouldn't have clicked it twice. But see, it spoofed the gamer tag and it shows up as the real phase apex, and it'll show the friends list and everything. But yeah, that's that part. Alright. Let me just re-log in and I'll launch Black Ops 2. It also comes with a bypass. That's what I like about it, because currently there's no bypass out that is working correctly on Black Ops 2. So let me just launch Black Ops 2. I got 2 shit that passed. And I just wait for the oh fuck, I forgot this account's banned. Alright, I'll just cut the video. This account's banned from another bypass I tried. But yeah. I'll cut the video and have a new account and finish the review. Alright, you guys, I'm back to finish up this little review of this shit tool. You know, see, it's got legit stats, you know, fill legit stats, blah 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 blah. Load stats, fill in max stats, and then add unlock tokens. Quick recovery, that's like what I did to my account, and it's actually legit as fuck. Like, it actually unlocks everything and makes it like legit, yeah, instead of other like tools which don't. And if you haven't noticed, it's got some modifications. When you go to public, it's got just little cool things. Then you can do classes. I've already done everything. And you change the name. And I'll send it. Done. Click out of there. Let's see how. Colored classes. Extra stuff, we don't went over that. Post only. It's got a bunch of these modifications. non-host. Oh, I wonder if that'll work right now. Yeah, it does. Might. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to be in the game for that time. But anyways, let's still try to find a game. I'm not gonna force those right now. Oh, it's got even gamer tag stuff. Turn my sound. I think I'm in a party. No, what the fuck?
Tell Billy.
Okay. Yeah, it's got like gamer tag modifications. Oh, I got to do it here. Rainbow. Don't change secondary. Clan tag. Move that. What else? Guess it only does it there. Unless you need a big. I'm doing a video reviewing this tool, so yeah, I guess it only does it a little piece. Class mods. Gotta wait for one more player. We need one more player. Just wait till I get in the game. I can show it this. He's gonna read me. First game stop. Thank you, baby. No one leave. I'm trying to do a review on this tool. Alright, it might kick me out since I set my stats. I used to do that on other tools. Hopefully it doesn't. Big for other players.
Search and destroy.
Alright, am I host? No, I'm not. I don't think I am. Client. Yeah, I didn't get host set.
Neutralize the objective.
Whatever, I still got off-host mods, red boxes, no recoil chims, laser, color,
acquired.
Chroma, FPS. Oh, anyway. Whatever. Anyways, that's the awful shit. Anyways, this is a cool little tool. It's got some unique shit. Sorry I couldn't record more. I couldn't pull host, but I recommend it a lot. It's got some unique shit, as you guys can see. Like, you know, like, I don't know, just some cool stuff. Like, I haven't seen any of these, like, tools that have, where you can send your gamer tag that doesn't spoof it. I've never seen, like, real time, rainbow, or clan tag, or even the cool little shit, like, 88,000, you know, online. I'm not gonna say it, but wow, yeah, that's some shit it's got though. Hope you guys like. Peace out.